What's up, guys? Welcome back to Trade Time. We got some huge news in the stock market today, and I'm going to be going over it and what the possible effects are on the stock market in the near future that I think you should know about. As always, before we get into it, I do need to disclose that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Every word or statement that you hear in this video is purely my opinion. All videos on the channel are for entertainment purposes only, and any information that is shared in any of my videos may be inaccurate. So what actually happened was that Biden is going to be seeking a tax increase on the wealthy in order to fund some childcare and education. And this tax is going to be on capital gains, and it can be up to 43.4% on the wealthy, which means supposedly 56.7% in California. That's over half the money that they're making is going to be going to tax if this gets put through. Obviously, that's only through capital gains, which is what you make in the stock market. But speaking of the stock market, it didn't like this very much. So we go over to the Dow Jones, and as we can see, it was down a little bit to start the day. Nothing too bad. But then we got to right around the time of the announcement, and it just absolutely tanked. And it just sat down here for the rest of the day. Which, I mean, it didn't end up awful. It wasn't down even a percent. But still, it was down 321 points. And that was after being down very little. It looks like 13, 14 points that it was down before. So it dropped basically a little over another 300 points after that news was released. And the same goes for the S&P 500, which was actually up on the day, and then it dropped significantly at the same time. And the Nasdaq, that drop wasn't as bad, but it still had quite a big drop. And what this actually means for the future is that investors are not very happy about this as a whole, and it caused a lot of people to sell out of the market. And I think that if this gets pushed through and this actually succeeds, we're going to see, well, let me put it in a nice way, a pretty decent buying opportunity after we wait a few days for the sell-off to happen. Obviously, I don't know if there's going to be a sell-off, and it's just my opinion, but realistically, what I'm trying to say is that if this gets passed, it's probably not good news for the market as a whole in the short term. As always, make sure to do your own research because I can't predict the future and nobody can, at least to my knowledge. If anybody could, well, I'd be asking them what the next GameStop or AMC is, and then I'd probably be telling you guys as well. But I don't know anybody like that, so that's too bad. And thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what stocks you're watching this week because I'll try my best to cover those stocks, and if I don't cover those stocks in the next video, then maybe I'll do a live stream if there's enough of them to kind of just go over what I'm thinking on those stocks. So let me know what stocks you're thinking of right now and want to know more about. And let me know also what you think of a live stream and what times would work best for you if we were to do a live stream. All right, see you in the next one.